The number one method to lose belly fat: no cardio. You've tried running, you've tried crunches, maybe even fasted cardio, and yet your belly fat just won't go away. Here's the truth: the reason you can't lose it has nothing to do with effort, and everything to do with one simple mistake your body makes every single day. Let's fix that, without a single minute of cardio. Most people think fat loss is about moving more and eating less. But if that actually worked, you wouldn't still be struggling, because the real problem isn't your workout, it's your metabolism. When it's out of balance, your body clings to fat, especially around your stomach, no matter how clean you eat or how many miles you run. So in this video, I'll show you the one method that resets your metabolism, switches on fat burning, and does it without cardio. Here's what happens. Every time you eat, your body releases insulin, a hormone that helps store energy. When insulin is high, fat burning stops. And with modern diets full of snacks, sugar, and processed food, insulin stays high all day. That means your body never gets the signal to release stored fat for energy. You could spend hours on a treadmill, but if your hormones are off, your body simply refuses to let go of belly fat. That's why cardio feels endless, and your stomach still looks the same. If you've been stuck in that cycle, hit the like button. Because once you understand this method, you'll never waste time on useless cardio again. So how do you actually fix this? It comes down to one simple rule: control insulin. And the easiest way to do that is with what I call the reset window. Step 1, the reset window. Instead of eating from sunrise to bedtime, you give your body a break. You eat all your meals within an 8-hour window, say from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. During the remaining hours, insulin drops, and your body finally starts burning stored fat for fuel. You don't have to count calories or cut entire food groups. You just give your system time to reset. And the best part? You can still eat your favorite foods once you understand how to time them right. Within a few days, you'll notice fewer cravings, more energy, and less bloating. All signs that your body is shifting into fat-burning mode. But if you stop here, you'll only get half the results, because the next step is what turns fat burning into a full-time mode. Step 2. Eat to burn, not store. Now, what you eat during that window matters. Start building meals that keep insulin low. Protein to stabilize blood sugar. Fiber to keep you full longer. Healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and nuts to support hormones. Skip the refined carbs and sugar spikes, because every time your blood sugar rises, insulin follows, and fat burning stops again. Here's where most people get it wrong. They think fat loss only happens while working out. But the truth is, real fat loss happens when you're resting, walking, even sleeping. When your insulin stays low, your body turns into a constant fat-burning machine. No treadmill required. Now let's talk results. When you keep your insulin under control, you don't just lose weight, you lose belly fat first, because that's where most of your insulin receptors are. And when they finally quiet down, your body can unlock the fat that's been stuck for years. This isn't theory. Studies show that intermittent fasting can reduce belly fat by up to 7 to 10% in just 8 weeks, without a single cardio session. You'll start to notice steady energy, sharper focus, and a lighter feeling around your midsection. Not because you starved, but because your body finally started working for you, not against you. And unlike extreme cardio, this approach doesn't drain your recovery, stress your joints, or spike cortisol. It's simple, sustainable, and most importantly, it works long-term. So remember this: you don't need to run miles or exhaust yourself to burn fat. You just need to balance your hormones and train your metabolism to use fat as fuel. That means shorter eating windows, cleaner meals, and consistent sleep. Once you do that, your body starts melting fat naturally, not just from your arms or face, but from the place that's been holding on the longest, your belly. And as I always say, fat loss doesn't start in the gym. It starts with balance, because when your body's in balance, Fat loss isn't a fight. It's just a natural response. So start tomorrow. Pick your 8-hour window, focus on whole foods, and give your body 2 weeks to adapt. You'll feel the difference before you even see it. Subscribe to Holistic Wellness, where balance becomes your superpower. Because when your body's in balance, fat loss isn't a fight. It's just a natural response.